One of the most popular franchises in history. But we still don't have a single blockbuster live action movie. Yes, I am talking about Ben 10. Just hearing that name instantly flashes a glowing green watch in our minds. If you grew up in the 2000s or early 2010s, admit it. You've stood in a school hallway, a playground, or a tuition class arguing with your friends. I'm going to transform into forearms! No way, XLR8 is faster. Dude, Heat Blast would melt them both. Ben 10 wasn't just a cartoon. It was the ultimate childhood imagination of an entire generation. It is one of the highest grossing properties in Cartoon Network's history, spawning massive toy lines, games, and multiple hit series. So, if the fan base is this massive, why has Hollywood completely ignored giving us a big budget cinematic Ben 10 movie? Let's break down the real reasons. To understand why, we have to look at the franchise's evolution. It started in 2005 with a simple, perfect concept. A relatable, chaotic 10-year-old kid on a summer road trip with his grandpa Max and cousin Gwen finds an alien watch. As the fans grew up, the show grew up too. Alien Force and Ultimate Alien gave us a mature teenage Ben, higher stakes, and darker plots. It was peak television. Now, some of you might say, but wait, we did get live action movies. Technically, yes. We got Race Against Time in 2007 and Alien Swarm in 2009. But let's be honest, those were low budget direct to TV movies. To a true fan, they feel more like a blemish on the franchise rather than a cinematic masterpiece. When we asked for a live action Ben 10, we don't want a TV movie. We want the Marvel Avengers or Warner Brothers Batman treatment, a proper big budget blockbuster. So why hasn't Hollywood pulled the trigger? There are three massive roadblocks. First, studio priorities. Ben 10 belongs to Cartoon Network, which sits under the massive umbrella of Warner Brothers Discovery. The problem? Warner Brothers already owns Batman, Superman, Harry Potter, and Lord of the Rings. When a studio has these multi-billion-dollar theatrical titans, a cartoon adaptation gets pushed to the back burner. Studios run on guaranteed box office history, not just childhood nostalgia. They are terrified of taking a massive financial risk. Second, the astronomical VFX budget. Think about this. Adapting Spider-Man requires VFX for one guy in a suit. Adapting Ben 10? You need completely distinct, high-end CGI models, unique animations, and voice acting for at least 10 radically different aliens in the first movie alone. Heat Blast, Diamond Head, Forearms, the list goes on. Constant on-screen transformations are a nightmare for a visual effects budget. Even Marvel started hiding Bruce Banner's transformations into the Hulk because it was too expensive. If Hollywood makes a Ben 10 movie and Forearms looks like a PS3 game character, the internet will brutally destroy the movie before its first weekend. Third, the fear of failing the fans. Ben 10 fans aren't casual, they are emotionally attached. Look at what happened to Dragon Ball Evolution or the live-action Avatar The Last Airbender movie. If a studio messes up Batman, they can reboot it in 5 years. If they mess up Ben 10's big screen debut, the live-action franchise is dead forever. The good news? The technology is finally ready. Look at movies like Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes or Transformers. Modern CG can make anything look terrifyingly real. The technical excuses are officially gone. It's now just a matter of creative commitment and financial confidence. Ultimately, it's not a question of if Hollywood will make a Ben 10 movie. It's a question of when. Because a franchise this legendary never truly stays dead. And when that day comes, the hype will be unreal. Because it won't just be a movie. It will be a childhood dream come true for millions of us. What do you think? If a live-action Ben 10 movie gets announced tomorrow, who would you cast as Ben? Since Tom Holland might be getting a bit too old for an origin story, which fresh face should wear the Omnitrix? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives. See you in the next video.